Before I explain what GoMining is, I want to tell you what the compliance section of their own terms says, because it is more honest than most of the content you will find about this platform. Their terms explicitly state that the digital miners are not a deposit, not a security, not a financial instrument, and not a collective investment scheme. That is the starting point. Today, I am placing GoMining exactly where it belongs in the four-function framework and leading with the risks, because on this platform, the risks matter more than the mechanics. GoMining is a custodial cloud mining style platform that gives tokenized exposure to Bitcoin mining output without requiring you to operate physical hardware. Users can purchase tokenized digital miners, represented as NFTs on the platform, which produce BTC mining rewards based on the hash rate they represent and the current Bitcoin network difficulty. GoMining also offers Simple Earn, a flexible and fixed savings style product denominated in the platform's own token, and GoMining staking, which locks the governance token for periods from 1 week to 4 years in exchange for weekly reward distributions. The platform is US accessible. Verify availability in your specific state before depositing. It is not FDIC, SIPC, or SEC regulated. GoMining occupies the growth layer slot, specifically the crypto growth layer position, which carries the highest risk profile in the framework. The growth layer is the high variance asymmetric tier, platforms where the potential upside is larger than a savings account and the potential downside includes loss of the entire allocated amount. GoMining belongs in this slot because its output moves with Bitcoin price, network difficulty, platform operational continuity, and maintenance fee economics. 4 variables that can each move sharply. What GoMining does not fill. It does not fill the cash layer, the yield venue, or the redundancy anchor. Do not treat the Simple Earn APR as equivalent to a HYSA rate. Simple Earn is not available in the US currently. The counterparty quality is categorically different. The appropriate sizing for GoMining in any system is small enough that a complete platform failure is a rounding error. Creating an account, go to gomining.com, enter your email, create a password, and verify the email. Identity verification may be prompted depending on your product selection and jurisdiction. Once inside the platform, you will see the product menu. Simple Earn with flexible and fixed options, the NFT miner marketplace, and the GoMining staking interface. Before selecting any product, read the terms for that specific product, particularly the maintenance fee schedule for digital miners and the lock terms for fixed Simple Earn and GoMining. Maintenance fees on digital miners are charged in BTC equivalent against mining output. In unfavorable network conditions, these fees can compress net output substantially. Just for some context, if we're new, I'm Alex, the co-founder. Andrew is our founder. We run Obsidian Metrics. A couple of years ago, we got tired of watching people pile platforms on top of each other with no system underneath. So we built one. Every platform we cover gets categorized by function, not by hype. That's the framework you're watching me apply right now. And now we're building the tools to pair with them located inside of our school community. So if you're interested in the framework and building on top of it, become a member for free today and come build with us. Let's get back to it. GoMining does not publish a stable APY because there is no stable APY to publish. Mining rewards depend on Bitcoin price and network difficulty, both of which have moved dramatically over multi-year periods. Historical Bitcoin network difficulty has increased consistently over time, which tends to compress per-unit mining output from a fixed hash rate position. Bitcoin price has ranged from under $1,000 to over $100,000 in its history. Those two variables set the range of what GoMining mining positions have historically produced, and the range is extremely wide in both directions. Simple Earn displays an estimated APR in-app. This is the platform's current estimate, not a guarantee. Treat all displayed rates as historical and subject to change without notice. Rates change weekly. Verify on the official GoMining site before deploying capital. The single mechanical point that beginners most frequently miss: maintenance fees on digital miners are a fixed cost that continues regardless of whether mining rewards cover them. In a period of high network difficulty and low BTC price, the net output after fees can be negative. Specific risks in order of severity within the framework. First, custodial and platform risk. GoMining holds your tokenized mining position. You do not hold underlying hardware or Bitcoin private keys. Platform failure, regulatory action, or business closure would put capital at risk with limited legal recourse. Second, Bitcoin price and network difficulty exposure. Both variables directly determine mining output. Historical volatility in both is extreme. Third, fee drag in adverse conditions. Maintenance fees can exceed mining rewards in periods of high difficulty and low BTC price. Fourth, token price exposure on Simple Earn and GoMining. These products involve the platform's own token, which carries its own price risk independent of Bitcoin. Fifth, lockup risk. Fixed Simple Earn and GoMining positions are locked for defined periods. Capital cannot be accessed early. Sixth, regulatory risk. The platform's legal and regulatory status for U.S. users should be verified at time of use. It has evolved and may continue to evolve. We are not financial advisors. Nothing in this video is financial advice. Results are not guaranteed. To recap, GoMining occupies the crypto growth layer slot of the four-function framework. It carries custodial, regulatory, Bitcoin price, network difficulty, and maintenance fee risks simultaneously. The appropriate sizing is small enough that a total loss of the allocated amount does not affect the rest of your system. This is not an income strategy. It is a high-risk, high-variance growth layer position that belongs, if it belongs at all, in a specifically sized slot inside a system that already has a cache layer and redundancy anchor in place. If you want the full deep dive, the part I cannot fit into a YouTube video, it lives inside the Obsidian Metrics free community on School, link in the description. Joining the free community is free, and it unlocks the framework, the platform library, and the system breakdowns. If you're already serious about building a system, Premium inside the community is where the in-depth classroom breakdown of this exact platform lives. Subscribe if the framework is useful to you. New platform or system breakdown every Monday. Thanks for watching.